Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Advanced Volatility Scanner, where I'm going to introduce to you the most powerful technique to find a coin that is volatile and how it could potentially change your day trading strategies, and especially how you gravitate towards the coins that are moving the most. I've developed this indicator of mine called the Advanced Volatility Scanner because I had a major problem with how to find that coin that is moving the most. There were different methods that I've been using throughout the years, and I'm going to talk about some of the pitfalls that I've had with all of them and how it eventually led to this, and how this is an absolutely game changer and what everybody needs to find the best coins to trade and to never miss out on an opportunity again. So for those that know me and for those that don't, my name is Philicon. I've been in the crypto game for about 9 years now. I am a professional day trader that started with only $2,000 and I grew it to well over 7 figures. And I'm also a 7-figure portfolio investor that's focusing on the crypto game long term. I've been educating people in the Twitter space and in crypto space for a very long time. And I truly believe that I bring a tremendous amount of value to you. And when you see how this indicator of mine works, you're going to be wishing that you had this years ago, because I've always felt that way as well. This was what's missing in my life. And now that it's here that I can use every single day, I'm here to introduce it to you, and I believe that it's going to be a major game changer. One of the major problems that we all face every single day as a day trader or as a swing trader is, how do we gravitate towards a coin that is moving? Oftentimes when we see a coin moving, it's just too late already. It has moved too much and too far, and we're always confused about why didn't we find this coin earlier, or we say to ourselves, if we had found this coin earlier, we could have maybe traded it. So how do you have a method that's going to point you to the direction of a coin that is moving instantly? I've scoured the entire internet. I've tried to find multiple indicators and look at different ways that other people have created, that TradingView has even created. And I believe that there's so many drawbacks and pitfalls to these methods that they use. And I've always wondered, why isn't there anything out on the market right now? So after 9 years of being in the crypto space as a day trader, I said to myself, you know what? I'm just going to develop something myself that I know people will find value for, and I know people will use it tremendously, and it's going to change the way that you see a coin moving. And as soon as you see it moving, you're going to be able to take a look at this coin, you're going to be able to do technical analysis on it, and then you can decide one of three things. You can decide basically how to enter it by maybe longing the continuation of it if it forms a pattern, or by maybe catching a dip, or maybe if it's overextended already, the third way would be to short the coin. But the most important thing is, despite figuring out what to do after, you need to know which coin to go to first, and that's exactly what I'm about to introduce to you. So this is the Advanced Volatility Scanner that I've developed. It's going to allow you to have a list of every single coin on your exchange that you can manually put in yourself. So for example, I'm using Binance. I've got every single coin here from Bonk all the way to ZRX. And I need to be extremely clear that this scanner of mine is optimized for a monitor that has a 2K resolution or a 4K resolution. It will not work in a 1080p monitor because the resolution is too small and you will not be able to fit all of the data on here. Also, if you're using a laptop, it's going to be almost impossible to use this scanner for the best resolution and the best viewing space. A 32 monitor with 2K or a 4K resolution is what this is optimized for. So you must be tired of missing out on profitable trades because you spot them too late. And this Advanced Volatility Scanner Indicator is here to revolutionize your trading strategy. So some of the key features of it is that it's going to instantly detect volatility. And this indicator will swiftly identify any coin exhibiting volatility to ensure that you never miss another moving coin. It's going to have a unified dashboard just like this over here, where every single coin on your exchange is going to be listed on here on a single screen. So you can see from my view over here, this is my main monitor that I have. And above it is a 43-inch monitor, a 4K resolution that allows me to see every single coin that I have trading on Binance pairs. And you can also see that some of them are highlighted green. For example, right there, it's highlighted green. This one's highlighted green, this one, and this one as well. So what this does is when a coin meets the volatility criteria, it's going to highlight in green for immediate attention. This way, you're not going to miss out on coins that are moving. It's also a highly customizable scan, and it can perform up to 4 different scans based on your specific needs. For example, on mine over here, you'll see that there are 4 different columns for each coin, and each column will scan for different things. In this particular case, the first column scans for 5% over 1 hour, or the second one is 10% over 2 hours. The third one scans for 15% over 4 hours, and the fourth column scans for 20% over 48 hours. Now, if any of these coins meets this volatility criteria, then it's going to highlight green. It's going to show up immediately on this screen in front of you, and then it's going to bring it to your attention. Then you can go to TradingView to do manual technical analysis on it, and then you can decide if it's something you can long or perhaps catch a dip or even try to short it if it's overextended. And this is going to provide you with real-time updates on any coin movement, unlike any traditional scanners out there that solely rely on candle movements. So the thing about other indicators, I've used CryptoLoom, I've also used Altfins, I've also used the TradingView crypto scanner. What all of these rely on is the candle formation itself. So there's a problem. Let's just say you wanted to check for what happened 4 hours ago exactly. If you go to the 4-hour candle, it doesn't actually show you that. It only shows you the movement of that specific 4-hour candle. So what if it's only 2 hours into the 4-hour candle? So it's going to actually show you only the past 2 hours. Or if you wanted to see what happened in exactly 24 hours ago, you would go check the daily candle. The daily candle only shows you movement from when the daily candle just closed. But my indicator, it can show you exactly 24 hours ago or exactly 48 hours ago. And that's the benefit of the customizable scan. So what you're going to see here is you can open this and customize each one of the columns. I have mine set up to something that scans in the past 1 hour, and it measures the range of 5 minutes. It also measures in the second column over 2 hours. It checks for something that moves 10%. In the third column, it checks for something that moves 15% over 4 hours. In the fourth signal column here, it checks for something that moves 20% over 48 hours. And you can change this if you want to 96 hours perhaps. So if you change this to say 35%, it will check for something that's moved 35% over 96 hours. So the imagination is going to be the limitation. This will instantly help you find volatility anytime that it moves. How this works is anytime the coin meets your preset criteria, it's going to highlight it green. This prompt lets you quickly perform technical analysis and decide if it's going to fit your trading strategies. It's going to measure movement and volatility over your specific period of time. So you will never miss a coin with this advanced volatility scanner ever again. And this is truly the unique way to elevate your trading game. So just to give you an idea of how this is used. So what you're seeing today is BB. These are highlighted green right here. The more columns that's highlighted green, the more volatile it is currently right now. And you're also gonna see CAS has moved in the past 20% over 48 hours. You're also going to see ORDI move as well today. And you're also going to see token move. If anytime any coin starts to move within these parameters, you're always going to see it highlighted green, boom, instantly. So today, for example, you see BB has moved a tremendous amount. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna move to the coin BB on your trading view and see how it has performed. So now that the scanner brought me to the attention of BB because all of the fields were highlighted green, you go to trading view and now you do manual technical analysis on it. And you'll see that BB is one of the coins that is moving an extreme amount today. So because of that, it's going to present you with the options of trading this coin. So this is how the scanner will bring it to your attention. Then you do analysis on it. So now that you see this coin has been brought to your attention, you're going to make the decision of longing it, or perhaps shorting it, or perhaps trying to catch a dip. And then you'll utilize the strategies that you currently know to trade this coin. So this is one of the benefits of it. And now there's another coin that has moved right now. You see Combo has moved 5%. It literally just showed up on the screen right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your trading view, you're gonna check out Combo in your charts, and you're gonna perform technical analysis on it, and you're gonna make a decision on how to trade this coin. If you should enter it now, if you should wait for a dip, if you should wait for a continuation pattern, or if you should try to short it. So Combo just brought it to your attention right now. So the last column is always looking for volatility on the higher time frame. So CAS has moved 20% in 48 hours, ORDI has moved 21% in 48 hours, and Token has moved 22.28% in 48 hours. This means that you have an opportunity to look at the longer term trend as well to make a decision on how you can trade it. So this is what the Advanced Volatility Scanner Indicator does. It allows you to immediately spot the coins that are the most volatile in the market so that you never miss an opportunity again. There's so many other customizable options as well. So what I'm going to do when you decide to pick this up is you're going to get access to a Discord group. And with the Discord group, it's going to come with a variety of different tutorials of how to set this up specifically. First of all, that's very important because it will be catered to the exchange that you use. So if you're using a different exchange than Binance, it'll be differently set up than mine. So you'll have a full tutorial guide on how to use this indicator and especially how to set it up as well. So you're always going to be updated with the most relevant information on how to use it. And whenever there are updates on this indicator, you're also going to get updates and access to that as well. So the price for this indicator is $150, and what you'll get is a lifetime access to it. Once you have it, you will always have it forever. And then you're also going to get access to the Discord group with the tutorials only, and then you'll be able to learn how to set this up and how to customize it. So if you are wanting a type of indicator that's always going to spot the major volatility, then this indicator is for you. So I will see you in the tutorials, and I look forward to seeing you improve the amount of trades that you find with this indicator of mine. And it's especially going to be super helpful for you in this upcoming bull market. Can you just imagine the benefits of this, where in a bull market, you'll be able to see everything going on. So I'll see everybody in the indicator. Let's crush this 2025 bull market together and find the most amount of trades that we can. Let's go, guys.